So,
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
This is Darkness, sir. Welcome you once again in the online lecture series of Artificial Intelligence and the Robotics. This is our lecture number 5, and today we are going to continue with our yesterday's session where we are discussing what is meant by the state space search and the artificial intelligence as the problem solver. Okay. Yesterday already we have discussed why we are referring the artificial intelligence as a problem solver. As already I told you, we are using the artificial intelligence to address various kind of real world problems. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which are the real world problems being addressed by the artificial intelligence? Yes. Which are the real world problems being addressed by or being addressed with the help of the artificial intelligence? Yes. All of you got the question? All of you got the question? Or should I repeat?
Yes, sir. Repeat.
What I am asking, tell me the various kind of real world problems being addressed by or being solved by with the help of the artificial intelligence. Yes. Rohini,
Yes.
do you understand the question? Which are the real world problems being solved with the help of the artificial intelligence? Yes, Rohini,
Yes, sir.
do you understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. What I asked?
So real world problems which is solved by AI.
Yes. Which are that? I have just asked the question in the different way. The answer
So
of that
gaming
already,
and
yes. Various kind of applications. These are nothing
gaming.
but the real world problems. Yes.
Yes.
Whatever
Yes.
we have
Which
seen,
is useful for human.
yes, like we have seen in the music sector, playing the music with the help of
Yes.
the artificial intelligence instead of the human being as a musician. Yes or no? That is
Business
nothing but
industries.
business industries, voice technology, then the
Yes.
in the military sector, for example, for bomb disposal, etc., etc. So these all
Yes, sir.
applications are nothing but what? All applications of the artificial intelligence are nothing but for human beings. These are nothing but the real world problems. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And to solve
Yes,
these
sir.
real world problems, we are taking the help of what? Artificial
Artificial intelligence.
Understood. So that's why we are calling the artificial intelligence as a problem solver. Understood. And there are from yesterday we are discussing, there are the various techniques or the methods being utilized to solve this kind of problems. And one of that from yesterday we are discussing, that is nothing but what? State space search technique. Understood. Now let's continue with the further part of the state space search. Now yesterday already we have discussed what is meant by the state space search, etc., etc. I hope all of you have got the concept of what is meant by the state space search. What is meant by the state space search? Yes. What is meant by the state space search? Sonal. State space search is what? Yes,
So
anybody? Yes.
state space search means finding the exact position and fix them.
Okay. Anybody else?
So we can
Sir,
say we are finding the empty space for for making some to enter something else in that space. Like we are making a goal set for it.
Okay. Yes. Anybody else?
searching the empty space for movement.
So searching within a given state space so that we can reach to the goal state. Understood? So that is nothing but what? State space search. Understood?
Search.
State space is nothing but the certain area where we are doing the searching. Understood? So terms related with that already yesterday we have studied, and we are carrying with the same example. That is the example of what? Solving the 8 puzzle problem. Okay, which problem we are trying to solve? 8 puzzle problem. Okay, now related with that, next part we have various steps in the solving the problem. Okay, what? Various steps in the solving the problem. Now one thing here you should keep in mind. Now the artificial intelligence is solving the problem for us. Okay, artificial intelligence is solving the problem for us. So that's why to that problem solver we are referring the artificial agent. Okay, understand this part. What is mean by the artificial agent? The artificial intelligence solving problem for us, and to that entity who is solving problem for us, we are calling it as what? The agent or the artificial agent. For example, if the AI player is playing the chess, then we are calling that AI player as what? Artificial agent player. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Here from here onwards, you have to take the meaning of agent is nothing but the artificial intelligence entity. Got the point? Okay. You have to take the meaning of
Yes.
agent here is what? The artificial intelligence entity. For example,
Entity.
if you are using the robot in the industry sector, then that robot is nothing but your AI agent. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So from here onwards, you have to take the meaning of agent as an artificial entity who is trying to solve the problem. Okay. Now here these are nothing. First, before we actually solve the problem with the help of the state space search technique, before that we need to understand which are the different steps in the solving the problem. Okay. In that state, different kind of steps. First step is the identification of problem and analyzing the problem. What do you mean by the identification of problem and analyzing the problem? Okay, now here what kind of problem we are trying to solve? Our example, Pankaj, what kind of problem we are trying to solve in this example? Yes,
8 puzzle problem.
8 puzzle problem. We are trying to solve what? 8 puzzle problem. Understood? Now consider the example. For example, human being want to play the game. Okay, one human being want to play the game, for example chess. Now for some new player to play the game, what are the things are what different things are necessary? Some new player is there and he want to play the chess, correct? Human being. Now what are the things required for him to play the chess game? That is my
त्याला
question.
rules माहिती पाहिजे.
He should know the rules. Means he should know about how to play
Rules.
the chess. Yes or no?
Game. Yes.
That chess
Yes,
game, how
sir.
to play that chess game. So that is nothing
Yes, sir.
but for human
Yes.
being also, that is nothing but what? Identification of problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First, that player should have to know how to play that game. What are the rules to play that game? That is nothing but what? Identification of the problem. Once he know how to play the game, then he can do more analysis on that rules or not. Now, once he knows about the rules of the game, how to play, etc., etc., then he can do the analysis of that problem. What do you mean by the analysis of that
Yes.
problem? Analyzing the problem means what? Means then he can make his own strategy.
Yes.
How to play.
Yes, sir.
After he know the
Yes.
rules, then he can make his own strategy. That is nothing but what? Analyzing the problem. Understood this point? Identification of problem and analyzing the problem. Now same thing is there for the artificial agent also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same thing can be applied for the artificial agent. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that is the reason first step in the solving the problem is nothing but what? Analyzing and the defining the problem. Understood? The first step is what? Identify what exactly problem is. For example, if you want to play the 8 puzzle game, then you have to understand what exactly that 8 puzzle game is. What are the rules to play that? What are the rules to winning situation? Correct. So that is nothing but the first step, that is the identification of problem and analyzing the problem. Because if the problem understood incorrectly, okay, listen carefully, if the problem understood incorrectly, then will that problem will be get solved or not? You got the question? All of you got the question? Or shall I repeat? If the problem is understood something which is different than the actual problem, somebody's mic is on. Switch off that mic. Somebody's mic is on. Okay, I repeat the statement. If the problem is understood something which is different than the actual problem, then what will happen? Yes.
So problem solving is very difficult.
If the problem which is understood incorrectly, then what will be the result of that? Will the problem will get solved correctly?
No, sir.
No.
No,
नहीं
sir.
सर प्रॉब्लम
If
सॉल्व
you-
नहीं होगा और
नहीं
कोई
होगा
और
ना।
चीज
अगर आपने गेम खेलने के जो रूल्स है वो अच्छी तरह से if you don't understand that rules correctly,
Yes.
then will you able to play that game? No.
No.
And even if you try to play that game, you will definitely lose. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
that is the
Yes.
reason first step is the very much important. That is the identification of the problem and analyzing the problem. First step कळाली सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Come to the next state. Next step is state space representation. Next is what? Next is state space representation. Yes. Can anybody able to tell me what is meant by the state space representation? Now, first step we have understood. That is what? Identification of the problem and the analyzing the problem.
Identification of
Yes. Second is what?
Find the possible states. Find the possible states to reach at the goal state.
Means first you need to represent that problem with the help of what? State space.
State space.
Correct or not?
Yes.
After identifying the problem, you have to represent that problem with the help of the some data structure as a state space, and that is I have written here, convert the problem statement into the state space, where the state space is what? The collection of the all the possible valid state that agent can reside. That agent can reside means which agent can utilize or where agent can make their entries. Understood? So what exactly the state space that already yesterday I told you? This is nothing but the representation of 8 puzzle problem. This is nothing but what? Representation of 8 puzzle problem with the help of the state space. Correct? All of you able to see?
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but
Yes,
what?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Representation of our 8 puzzle problem using the state space, and that is nothing but our second step. All of you understood the second step?
Yes, sir.
Representation of your problem using the state space. Then third step is what? Gathering the knowledge. Means what? Now agent want to solve the problem, correct?
Yes, sir.
Agent want to solve the problem. In order to solve the problem, he has to gather some information. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but the gathering the knowledge which is required by agent to solve the current problem.
Problem.
Now from where he can get the knowledge? Can anybody able to tell me? From where he can get that knowledge?
So past experience,
Yes,
Programming,
one
which
thing
is,
is what? Past experience,
Past experience.
and another thing is what? The pre-embedded knowledge. What do you mean by the pre-embedded knowledge in the system?
yes.
Means what?
सर जो knowledge on software पहले से ही machine के अंदर install
Yes,
किया
जब
गया है,
आप
that is known as
Yes, yes.
pre-embedded.
when you are
Supervised.
designing and developing that AI agent, that time also you embed some knowledge within that, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is the one knowledge, and another knowledge he can get using its experience when he being applied to play some games.
Yes.
Now AI agent don't become initially only the expert. He has to be play some games related with what if you are taking the example of 8 puzzle, he has to play that 8 puzzle games number of times. Accordingly, he will get the experience, and then he will become the perfect player who can defeat the human being also. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why that is the meaning of knowledge. It has gathered through the past experience. All of you got the third step,
Yes, sir.
gathering the knowledge.
Knowledge.
Next is the planning. Planning means which is being also referred as the relevant control strategy. Yes. Here I have written the problem may not be always the isolated problem. Isolated in the sense the problem cannot be a single problem only. Within that problem, there might be the another problem also.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? So,
Yes.
according to the problems that agent trying to solve, he has to make some planning. That planning is nothing but he has to make some control strategies. For example, if you take this part here you can see after agent from this initial state goes to the next state. From this initial state, it goes to the next state. Now he has got how many states here? 3 states. Correct?
3.
1,
Yes.
2, and 3. Now from here, which state to utilize? Whether this to utilize or this to utilize or this, that is nothing but that has to be decided by whom? AI agent or not?
Yes, AI agent.
Barabar. Consider you as a one human player, you are playing against the another player, but that another player is not the human. That another player is what? That is the AI player, correct? So that AI player has to decide now he should explore this state or this state or this state. That is nothing but the control strategy he has to apply here, whether he use this state or the this state. That is nothing but the planning. Correct or not?
Yes.
Planning. Understood. Now this was the one single problem initially. After that you have got the this as a one problem, this as a one problem, this as a one problem. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So within a single problem there come the number of problems, and that's why he has to make the planning here. He has to make the control strategy. Now how he will play next using this state or this state or this state. So in order to decide that, the AI player has to do some planning. That is, we are also referring it as a, he has to utilize some relevant control strategy, so that he must decide before attempting to solve the further problem. Understood the fourth step? That is nothing
Yes,
but what?
sir.
Planning, which is being nothing but also called as a control strategy. Okay.
Strategy.
Let's go to the next step, that is the identification of solution and choosing the solution. Now you tell me about this.
So optimal solution. आपण काल बघितलं होतं.
Now you can get more than one solution.
Yes, sir.
You can get more than one
Yes, sir.
solution. Yes. Now out of that multiple solution present, you need to need to check all the solution, and you have to take one out of that. That is nothing but
Yes,
what?
sir.
Identification of solution and choosing the solution. Understood these steps?
Solution.
Fifth step,
Yes, sir.
understood? Yes. And lastly, after performing all these steps, last is nothing but then implementation. That is what? After all gathering of knowledge, after doing all planning the strategies, the knowledge should be applied and the plan should be executed in a systematic way so as to reach to which state? Goal state.
Goal state.
Understood. So these,
Yes, sir.
using these different steps that we have seen from the starting, like we have seen, first one was identification and analyzing the problem. Second, representation
State
of that
space.
problem using the state space. Third, gathering the knowledge. Fourth, do the planning. Fifth, identification of solution and choosing one solution out of that. And last one is nothing but applying whatever knowledge you have gathered with the help of some, that is nothing but the part of your implementation, so that you in the sense AI agent can reach to the goal state. All of you got the steps involving the solving the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move to the next part related with the state space search. That is nothing but problem formulation, which is nothing but our first step in the solving the problem. What was our first step in the solving the problem? Identification of problem and analyzing the problem. Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
problem formulation is nothing but what? Same thing, analyzing and defining the problem. Understood. Here I have written, before we jump to finding the algorithm or applying the algorithm, evaluating the problem and searching for the solution, we first need to define and formulate the problem.
Problem.
Understood. So general sequence followed by the simple problem solving agent is nothing but first it should formulate the problem. That is what? It should define the problem and analyze the problem with what goal he has to reach, what is its initial state and which state it has to be reached. Then and then only it search for the sequence of action that would solve the problem and execute the action at a time. In short, before we apply some searching algorithm or before the AI agent apply the searching algorithm to solve some problem, first thing is important, that is nothing but what? Problem formulation. And problem formulation is nothing but what? Defining and analyzing the problem. That is simply the meaning of, or that is simply the concept of what? Problem formulation. Understood. So problem formulation include the deciding what action to be performed and which state to be considered. And this has to be done at each state of your problem solving until you reach to the goal state. Okay, let me show you in the diagram. Problem formulation is nothing but at now if the agent is at this state, now agent must able to decide now at this state what action to be performed, at this state what action to be performed, at this state what action to be performed. Understood? And out of these, which state he should consider, whether this state, whether this state, or this state to perform the action. Now can you able to tell me out of these three states on which state action has been performed here?
So yesterday you told that the one state is possible that the goal state one element at least one element is the same in the goal state. That strategy we will apply there, and we will choose the out of three one is correct.
No, I am asking AI agent. Now how many states are generated after the first state here? Three state.
Three. Yes, sir.
Three.
What I am asking, out of these three states, which state is chosen by the AI agent to perform the action?
Second.
Is this one?
Second
Yes,
stage.
sir.
So this state is chosen by the AI agent to perform the action. So these things these all things comes under the problem formulation. What action to be performed and which state to be decided to perform the action. These all the things comes under the point of what? These all the things comes under the point of the problem formulation. Okay. So once the problem formulation get completed, then and then only the problem solution steps will be carry on to solve certain problems. Okay. Now there are certain what we can say, there are different what we can say different steps in the problem formulation that has to be followed. Okay, and that is our next point, the different components of the problem formulation. Understood? Now there are 5 main components are there in the problem formulation. Okay, in that first one is the initial state. So initial state is which state? Initial state, the first state. Okay, if you want to see the in figure, this is here, which is our initial state. This is our initial state. Here I have written. So first component in the problem formulation is what? Initial state.
Initial state.
Okay.
Initial state.
Then let's go to the second step in the problem formulation, that is the action. Second step in the problem formulation is what? Action. Means on that particular state, which action to be performed. Understood? For example, on the initial state, initially, which action to be performed, that is the second component of the problem formulation, that is the action. It is the set of action that can be executed or applicable in all possible states. Let me take you to the figure again. Here on each of these state, this initial state and state you are getting after that, on each of this one, like all the states, which action to be performed, that is nothing but our second component in the problem formulation. Then the third important one, third component, successor function, or which is being also called as the transition model. Now focus here, what is actually mean by the successor function? It is the function that returns a state on executing an action on the current state. What? It is what? It is the function that returns a state on executing an action on the current state. That is nothing but called as what? Your successor function. Understood? Let me take you the diagram once again. Here, once you perform once you perform action on this state, after that, which state you are going to get, that is nothing but what your transition model, or that is nothing but your successor function. All of you got the successor function? What I am telling, once you perform the action on certain state, for example, here you perform action on this state. Now, after performing the action on this state, which state you get, that is nothing but what your successor function, or that is nothing but your what transition model. Understood? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
सक्सेसर फंक्शन म्हणजे काय? तुम्ही जर ह्या स्टेटवर ऍक्शन परफॉर्म केली, तुम्ही इन द सेन्स AI एजंटनी, त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला जे स्टेट मिळतात, दॅट इज नथिंग बट व्हॉट सक्सेसर function. After performing the action on this state, you are getting how many states here? 3 state.
3 state
That is called as what? The successor function.
function.
Got the point? Then the fourth component in the problem formulation, that is the goal test. Means what?
Con.
Yes, what will be the goal test?
We have to reach final state.
Goal test means testing whether you have reached to the final, testing whether you have reached to the goal state or not. For that purpose, what is being done? Goal testing is being done. Now, how the goal testing is being done?
So maybe checking the element that present in a goal state and current state, we compare that.
Yes, you have to compare. You have to compare the current state. You have to compare what? The current state and the goal state. Suppose you are now, your current state is this. Okay. Now you have to compare this state with your goal state. Whether these two states are similar. These and these similar or not?
No.
No, means goal test failure.
Yes, sir.
Goal test fail or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fail.
sir.
Again, if you compare this state with this state, goal test fail or will succeed?
Succeed.
Succeed, because this state is similar to the this state, and that is nothing but the fourth component of the problem formulation. That is what? The goal test. Okay. Now in the goal test also there are the two kinds of testing being done. Okay. In that, one is the explicit goal test and another is the implicit goal test. Now here you just understood what exactly that mean. I will show you in the example what is meant by the explicit goal test and what is meant by the implicit goal test. Here implicit means goal test is carried out by comparing the current state with the defined goal state. That now I showed you, correct?
Yes,
The testing I now shown you, that is nothing but called as what? The explicit
goal test.
goal test.
Goal test.
Now what is mean by the implicit? Now in case of the explicit goal test, you already know what will be your goal state, correct? But in case of the implicit goal testing, you never used to know what will be your goal state. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Here explicit means you are comparing your current state with the defined goal state. Let me take you the diagram once again. Explicit means what? You are comparing your current state. For example, this is your current state. With what you are comparing this current state?
Goal state.
Because you know about the goal state. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But there are some problem where you don't know about the goal state. In that case, the testing which is being done, that is called as what? The implicit goal test.
Goal test.
Understood? Now let me
Yes.
take you to the more simplified example of explicit goal test and the implicit goal test. Now before we see this example of explicit and the implicit goal test, we have the last component of the problem formulation, that is what? Path cost.
Path cost.
It is being calculated with the help of the cost function, and it is what? It is simply the cost associated with each step taken to reach to the goal
State.
That is nothing but your path cost. Understood? So
Yes.
this is nothing but all the components formulate the problem.
Yes.
The problem formulation is done using all these 5 components. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let me clear the what I told you, what exactly mean by the your example of the explicit goal test. Here I have shown you the example of tic-tac-toe game. I hope all of you must be knowing about the tic-tac-toe game.
Yes, sir.
Tic-tac-toe game means what? Where
So
somebody able to make the horizontal, vertical, or the diagonal combination of same symbol, for example X or O, then that particular player is declared as a winning player, as a winning state I have mentioned here. Understood? Now,
yes, sir.
related with the tic-tac-toe, before you start playing the game, you already know what you know. When you are going to win means what situation, what state will be there which will declare you as a winning player. What state will be there? If you place all the X vertically, or if you place all the X horizontally, or if you place all the X diagonally, in that case you come to know that you have won that game. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But think about the chess. About the related with the chess, will you able to tell me predefinedly? Yes or no? Will you able to tell me the goal state?
No, sir.
No, कारण चेस मध्ये काय असतं? चेस मध्ये एक सिनारो तयार होतो. In the chess, one scenario get created. हा सिनारो तुम्ही गेम चालू व्हायच्या अगोदर सांगू शकता का?
No.
This kind of scenario in case of the chess, you cannot tell before starting the game. But in case of the tic-tac-toe, you can tell or not? Yes.
Yes.
In case of the tic-tac-toe, you can easily tell, sir, if I get all the symbols horizontally, vertically, or the diagonally, in that case I will won. But that is not the situation in case of the chess game, and that's why this chess is nothing but the example of implicit goal test. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And tic-tac-toe is nothing but what? Example of explicit
goal test.
Test.
Explicit in the sense where the goal state is already known, predefined, and implicit means we don't know about the goal state. You have to form that particular scenario in certain, you have to reach to that certain situation, or you have to reach to that certain scenario, and that scenario will decide whether you have reached to the goal state or
Goal
not.
state. Not.
Now I hope all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so up till we have seen different steps in the solving the problem, which can be utilized by the artificial intelligence problem solver, that is the AI agent. And then we have seen how the problem get formulate. Okay, and how the problem get formulate with the help of the components of the problem formulation. And in that we have seen 5 components. Okay, in that we have seen the 5 components. Which are that? Which are the 5 components?
Initial state.
Initial state.
Action.
Successor function.
Goal test.
Successor function.
Succession.
goal test,
Goal
and lastly the path
Path
cost. Okay.
Path cost.
Now let me take you
Path.
to the example. Okay, where you formulate the 8 puzzle. This is the question being asked number of times for the 8 marks or the 10 marks. Formulation of 8 puzzle problem for your kind information. This is the most important part which is being asked in the exam number of times. Explain the formulation of 8 puzzle problem. Okay. I hope all of you can able to see this particular diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this, I have mentioned some parameters. Okay. Here I have mentioned some parameters. Like I have mentioned the parameter as a G. All of you able to see?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Then I
sir.
have mentioned the parameter as a H,
F and F.
and I have mentioned the another parameter as a F. Okay. Now there is a first we understand what exactly mean by these parameters, and then we'll try to apply that. So first one is the G. It indicates the state number. It indicates
Yes.
what?
State
State
number.
at which state level the AI agent is now at the current situation. H indicates the number of displaced tiles. Means what? H indicates the number of displaced tiles. Switch off the mic. What do you want the number of displaced tiles? आता tiles म्हणजे काय? What do you want the tiles? हे जे empty place आहे, ही जी place आहे, this is also called as a tiles.
Tiles.
But this is the empty tiles. This is the fill tile. Understood? And meaning of H is what? The number of displaced tiles. Understood? And lastly, we have the function F equal to G plus H. F equal to G plus
G.
H, which indicates the cost function.
Cost function.
Which indicate what? The cost function. Okay. All of you understood the parameters? G,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
H, and the F.
F.
Okay. Now we will apply here. See. First is the initial state. So what is your initial state? Can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Your initial state configuration. What is your initial state configuration?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Then
0, 4, 6.
empty tile. I am referring the empty tile by the 0.
Yes, sir.
So your second 0, 4, 6,
6,
and third row
7,
7, 5,
5,
8. So this is nothing but first step in the problem formulation, that is the initial state.
Initial state.
समझले?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then come to the actions. Then actions. Now in case of the different games, the action will be different or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Correct. Here we are referring the action related with the 8 puzzle problem. Now in the 8 puzzle problem consists of the 4 main action, that is the left, right,
Right,
up,
and down.
and the down. This is nothing but the second actions.
Action.
Understood? Third is the successor function.
Function.
Successor function is what? Successor function, which will give you the successive state.
Yes, sir.
Which will give you the successive state from the current state. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here, for example, also I have shown you, if we apply down action, see carefully, if we apply down action to the start state, what if we apply down to the start state, the resulting state has the 1 and the blank switching their positions. Observe it. Read it and observe it. All of you are observing.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
This is your starting state or the initial state.
Yes, sir.
Now we start solving the problem. In order to solving the problem, which action you apply?
Down.
Down. Down means what? Which we are having the empty space here.
Yes, sir.
Down means this 1 will be shifted down. You got the meaning of down?
Yes, sir.
Meaning of down is what? This 1 will be get shifted down. Correct? Now
Yes,
what
sir.
will be the result of this 1 will be shifted down? If this 1 will be get shifted down, this will become empty.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And on the place of empty, what will be get replaced? 1? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This was the empty place. After you perform the down action, the empty place will be replaced by the 1 and the 1 will be replaced by the empty space. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but the successor function. Correct?
Yes, sir.
When you apply some action and when you get the another state, that is nothing but the result of your successor.
Successor function.
Now you tell me which action has been performed here.
Down.
So 1 again move to the upward side and 4 to the left side.
Means which action? You tell me the action.
5 left.
So 4 left ला गेलाय sir.
4 go to the left.
4 left lag.
Means here you have performed the action. Here. First you have performed the action here. That's why you got this state. Then again you
Yes.
perform
Okay.
second action here. But what is that action? You are performing the act
Blank
first.
switching their position.
You got the first scenario
Yes.
where
Yes,
where you have performed the which action? Down.
Down.
That's why you got this state.
So we perform the left action there.
So here which second action will need to perform you so that you will get this state.
So firstly ते 1 आपण खाली घेतलाय ना, आधी अप करावं लागेल आणि मग तो 4 इकडे लेफ्ट ला घेता येईल.
नाही. हे याचा आणि याचा
So
काही
त्यांनी
संबंध
ना
नाही. इथं तुम्ही
त्यांनी ना
आपण ऍक्शन कुठल्या स्टेट वर अप्लाय करतोय? इनिशियल स्टेट वर.
Initial state.
बरोबर का? If you apply on the
Okay.
initial state down, this 1 comes to the on the place of empty space. Now here, if you apply left action, correct?
yes.
लेफ्ट ऍक्शन तुम्हाला कुठं परफॉर्म करायची आहे? इथं. जर तुम्ही ह्या स्टेटला
मला
लेफ्ट
वाटलं
ऍक्शन परफॉर्म केली तर काय होईल? तुमचा जो हा 4 आहे तो इकडे येईल,
Yes, sir.
या पोझिशनला
Yes, sir.
येईल. करेक्ट? And this empty space will go to this place, and that is the result. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me which action you to perform on the initial state so that you will get this state.
Up.
You need to perform the up.
Up.
If you perform the
Yes,
up here,
7.
this number will
Up
go
action,
inside,
huh.
and this empty space will. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is nothing but your
Yes.
successor function. Applying the action on the certain state and getting the resulting state. All of you got the
Yes, sir.
successor function?
Yes, sir.
All of you got the point of actions?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now
Yes,
let's move forward to the next component, that is the goal test. What? Goal test. Now you have got the 3 different state after performing, correct?
Yes, sir.
We have performed how many action on the initial state?
3.
3,
3.
correct?
Yes, sir.
What action? Up, left, and down.
Up.
Down.
Correct.
Down,
And-
up.
yes, down, up, left action we have performed.
Left.
Correct. And as I said, after you perform the action and you get the state, every time you have to perform what? Every time you have to perform the goal test.
Goal test.
Now, if you apply the goal test on this first state, this state, this state, this state, and this state, whether our goal test will be successful or the fail,
Fail.
now our goal test will be fail. ही जी दाखवले
Yes, sir.
तुम्हाला ही last state दाखवलेली आहे. Don't think about this now.
Yes, sir.
Correct. We
Yes,
will go
sir.
step by step. If you apply goal test to this state or to this state or to this state, our result will definitely going to be what? Our result will be going to be definitely the fail.
Fail.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, accordingly, then we move forward. Okay, and there comes our cost function, and there comes, now we have got 3 states here. Now you know to move forward, how the AI agent will move forward. Because we have to, the AI agent has to be move forward because he has not reached to the goal state, correct?
Mm.
Then how the AI agent will move forward, and on the basis of what the AI agent will move forward. Okay,
Sir, तुम्ही ते
related with,
सांगितलं होतं ते.
let me tell you, related with this state, G is equal to how much?
0,
H is how much?
3.
Now how this 3 comes? I forget to tell you. Can anybody able to tell me how these 3 come? What I have told you regarding the H?
Tiles, sir.
H is
Number of
what?
tiles.
Not just the number of tiles. H is what?
Number
Display
of
number
Yes,
of tiles.
number of displays.
Steps.
displays.
Tiles.
Tiles.
The
Correct.
tiles.
Now, what do you mean by these 3 then? Means it indicates there are how many tiles are displays?
3.
3 tiles, correct? How many tiles?
Yes,
3
sir.
tiles. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
How
Correct,
you
sir.
decide how many tiles are the displays?
Goal states comparison करून.
आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? ही जी तुमची इनिशियल स्टेट आहे, ही जी तुमची इनिशियल स्टेट आहे, बरोबर? This state you have to compare with the goal state.
Yes.
Correct. Now, if you compare this with the goal test, the goal state, then you can see
1, 2,
1, 2, 3. First row is correct. 1, 2, 3 is also
Yes,
there.
sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
But in case of our goal state, here is a 4, but here is an empty space.
Yes, sir.
Means this is the first display style. Yes,
Yes.
or no? 5, 6.
Yes, sir.
5 here, 6 is here, 6 is here also.
Yes.
Correct. Here we need the 5.
Yes.
Here what is 4? This is the second display style.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes.
Yes. Here is the 7. Here is the 7. Here is the 8. But here is the what? 5.
5.
This is the third display styles.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. That's why
Yes, sir.
I am saying that's why H is equal to how much? 3.
3.
In order to
Three.
get the display styles, you have to compare this initial state with the
Final
state.
state.
goal state
state.
initially.
Final state.
I'm
Final
telling you this scenario initially. Understood? When you move forward, every time when you move forward, every time you have to compare the current state with the goal state.
Goal state.
If this is your current state now, you have to compare with the goal state, then you get the value of H. If you add this state, you have to compare this state with the goal state, then you will get the value of H. If you are at this state currently, you have to compare this state with the goal state, and then you will get the value of H. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes. And now you tell me whether this H equal to 4 is correct or not for this state. what you have to do? You have to compare this state with the goal state, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Correct, sir.
Correct, hai na?
Correct. Yes, sir.
Afterwards, you focus on that and check all these things, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, you understood the second parameter. Next is the third, f equal to g plus h.
Yes,
That is
sir.
the cost function that you have to evaluate. You, in the sense, AI agent has to evaluate this at each state. Regarding the first state, f equal to g plus h. G is what? 0. H is what? 3. That's why f is equal to how much? 3.
3.
Correct? Same calculation you have to perform regarding this state also. Same calculation you have to perform regarding this state also and regarding this state also. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, related with this, what is the cost? Related with this, what is the cost? And related with this, what is the cost? You tell me. Related with this state, what is the cost?
5.
5, sir.
5.
5, sir.
Related with this, how much?
3.
3.
3.
And related with this, how much?
5.
5.
5.
Which is the less
5.
cost out of 3?
Middle one.
Middle one is having the less cost, and that's why
Yes, sir.
the AI agent will prefer this state to do the next movement. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Yesterday I told you. Now, how to select the states out of number of state is being chosen with the help of which function? Cost function. Understood?
Cost
Cost
function.
function.
Now again you apply that operation that I told you, action that I told you. Which action? Left, right, up,
Left.
down.
Yes,
Which
sir.
action? Left, right,
Left, right,
up,
up,
down.
down.
That is depends on intelligence of that AI agent. Correct? Okay. And that is the reason he has applied some action and he has got now the again 3 states he has got. See here. Initially your G was 0. When you go to the next level, your G becomes 1. When you go to the next level, your G becomes 2. Correct?
2.
Now, when you reach to this intermediate level, again, this all calculation has to be done. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then again, you got the value of G, H, F. Yes. Now, which function you apply to proceed?
First.
Cost function
First.
you apply, and then you will see the less cost is of this state.
Yes.
And that's why you will choose this state. AI agent will choose this state to make the further movement.
Yes, sir.
Then according to his intelligence, he apply 2 actions here. Which 2 actions applied here? Tell
Right
me.
and down.
Right and
Right and down.
right
Down.
and yes. Right
Down,
and down.
sir. Yes, sir.
Right and down or the right or left?
Right to left.
Right and left.
Right and left.
This state is the result of which action?
Right, sir.
Huh?
Left.
Left.
Left, left.
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 Left, sir.
इथं तुम्ही ह्याच याच्यावर लेफ्ट अप्लाय करणार करेक्ट इफ यू अप्लाय लेफ्ट हियर दिस 8 will be get shifted here.
Yes, sir.
And then again you have to perform all the calculation, you in the sense the AI agent. So you will get the G as the 3, H is 2, F as 5. Here also G as the 3, H
0.
yeah, H will be 0 regarding the goal state because there is a no misplaced
Yes,
tiles.
sir.
And F is a 3. And yes, here cost for which is having the less cost, definitely this. And
3.
even you can compare this state with the goal state, and you can also compare this state with the goal state.
Cost
You will get the
function.
result here that this state and these states are matching with each other, and from that the AI agent will decide now he has reached to the
State.
goal state.
Goal state.
Understood? And here we have solved your 8 puzzle
8
problem.
puzzle problem.
Problem.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So your
Sir.
solution to the problem is nothing but the sequence of action chosen by the problem solving agent. Who is your problem solving agent? AI agent.
AI
Understood?
agent,
That lead from the initial state to the goal state.
goal state.
I hope all of you understood the 8 puzzle problem formulation and the concept of state space search.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of you need to go through the video again. I will upload this. Okay. And then you can ask me the doubts in the comment section. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is the quote for you today. You can't have a better tomorrow if you are still thinking about the yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Means it doesn't mean that what you have learned yesterday, you have to forget that. That is not the thing. Correct.
Thank you, sir.
Understood.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have done so, if you have some bad things happen from you yesterday or you have wasted time yesterday, that kind of things you have to forget and focused on the tomorrow. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's it from my side today. Thank you all of you. Shall I
Thank you.
conclude?
Thank you, sir.
Don't go anywhere. I have to take the attendance. Don't go anywhere.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.